Have you ever tried to solve a problem, but it just keeps coming back? Well, defining the problem properly is the first step to solving it. A problem is the gap between the current condition and a target condition or standard. This broad definition allows for an array of problems at multiple levels. To define a problem, we need to know the actual performance of the process, the desired performance or goal, the gap or magnitude of the problem, and the characteristics of the problem. Let's look at an example. The packaging department has failed to meet its planned production during normal working hours 70% of the time over the past 3 months, resulting in excessive overtime. The target condition is to meet plan 95% of the time and reduce overtime to less than $1,000 per month. Properly defining a problem is essential to identifying primary causes or obstacles and executing countermeasures to the causes. If you're interested in learning more about problem solving, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us.